Yeah, students, today we will solve problem set 3 of arithmetic progression. Okay, so let us start with the second sum. Find the fourth term from the end of AP. Minus 11, minus 8, minus 5, etc. 49. Now look at this. Very important this is. See, find the fourth term of an AP from the end of AP. Suppose, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suppose this is an AP given to you. So if you are asked to find out the fourth term from the end means what? 1, 2, 3, 4. You can usually say that the fourth term from the end of this progression is 7. But here it is not like that. They have given 11, minus 11, minus 8, minus 5 to the last term. So now you need to find out which is the fourth term from the end. So for that, what all we are knowing, that first we will write. Okay. Now given A is equal to minus 11. Now we can find out D. Minus T2 minus T1 minus 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 8 plus 11, which is equal to 3. Okay, so you are knowing these two things. Now what is the last term? Last term means what? Tn. Tn is 49. That means the nth term is 49. See, it may be a 20th term, it may be a 10th term, it may be a 30th term, it may be 50, any term. So, what is the term? That we have to find out. That means we have to find out n. To find n. Okay, we need to find out n. So, how to find out the value of n? Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is Tn? 49. What is A? Minus 11. So, n minus 1 into d is 3. So, 49 equal to minus 11 plus 3n minus 3. So, 49 plus 11 plus 3 equal to 3n. 63 equal to 3n. Therefore, n equal to 63 upon 3 equal to 21. So, what is this term? This is 21st term. This is 21st term. What is the previous term? 20. What is the previous term? 90. What is the previous term? 18. Now look at this fourth term. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, what is the fourth term from the end? 18. Therefore, fourth term from the end is 18th term. Right or not? So, we have to find out now 18th term. Okay. So, T18 you have to find out. Again, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. So, T18 equal to A is minus 11 plus 18 minus 1 into d. So, T18 equal to minus 11 plus 17 into 3 minus 11 plus 51. So, it's equal to 40. So, what is the term T18? 40. This is the answer. This is how we have to find out the fourth term from the end of the AP, right? Now next one. Very interesting sum. Now next one. In an AP, tenth term is 18. The sum of fifth and seventh term is 52. Find the AP. Now, as I told you, very simple. First of all, what you have to do, you have to find out and write what are the given things in the problem. So, T10 is given to you, 18, okay, and then T5 plus T7 equal to 52. These two are given to you. From this, you are going to find out AP, right? Now, what is Tn formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. Now, what is T10 they have given you? So, T10 equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. That means what is T10 but 18. 18 equal to A plus 9D, or you can write A plus 9D equal to 18. So you have got one equation now, you see, very easily you have got an equation. Now what you have to do? Second condition, T5 plus T7. What is T5? T5 plus T7 means, what is T5? A plus 5 minus 1 into D, plus what is T7? A plus 7 minus 1 into D. So, A plus 4D plus A plus 6D. So, 2A plus 10D equal to, but what is T5 plus T7? 52. So, dividing by 2. So, 26 equal to A plus 5D. That is A plus 5D equal to 26. Now, if you want to find out any AP, you must require A and D, that's all. Then you can write the AP. How can you write A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc., etc. So, if you know the value of A and D, then you can easily write the arithmetic progression. Now, we will solving equation 1 and 2, that is A plus 9D equal to 18, A plus 5D equal to 26. See here, the coefficient of A, both are same but same sign. So, we have to subtract. Minus, minus, minus. So, 4D equal to minus 8. So, D equal to minus 8 upon 4, which is equal to A plus 9D equal to 46. Oh, sorry, this is 46. It is. I have copied wrongly. 46. A plus 9D equal to 46. A plus this equal to. So, what you will get? You will get 20. Therefore, D equal to 20 upon 4, which is equal to 5. Now, substituting D equal to 5 in equation 1, What is that? A plus 9D equal to 46. So A plus 9 into 5 equal to 46. Therefore A plus 45 equal to 46. Therefore A equal to 46 minus 45 equal to 1. So now we have got A as well as D. Therefore first term A equal to 1, common difference equal to 5. Therefore, the required AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. So, what is that? 1, 1 plus 5, 1 plus 2 into 5, etc. So, 1, 6, 11, etc. That's all. Now, next sum we will do. Next sum. This is also very important. Find the sum of first 10 terms of an AP where fourth term is minus 15 and ninth term is minus 30. Okay, now listen very carefully. You have to find out the sum of first n terms. Okay, now Sn you have to find out. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So, in order to find out the sum of any terms of AP means you need to have n, a and d. So, now here you see they are given fourth term is this, ninth term is this. So, you will get two equation like the previous sum. If you solve, you will get the value of a and d. And n also we have to find out. Then we can substitute n, a and d. Then you will get the sum of 10 terms of AP. Okay. Now let us do. Now let A be the first term of AP. Let D be the common difference of AP. Okay. Now what is given? T4. T4 equal to minus 15. So, what is the formula for T4? Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So, T4 equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. What is T4? Minus 15 equal to A plus 3D. That means A plus 3D equal to minus 15. Like the previous sum only we are doing it. Now second one. What is T9? T9 equal to minus 30. So Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. You have to always write. Then only you will avoid mistakes. A plus 9 minus 1 into D. So what is T? 9 minus 30 equal to A plus 8D. Therefore, A plus 8D equal to minus 30. Now look at this. Now we have got two equations. So having two variables A and D, if you solve, you will get the value of A and D. So we will solving equation 1 and 2. Okay. Now what is that? A plus 3D equal to minus 15. a plus 8d equal to minus 30. Now look at these two equations. Here also plus 1 is the coefficient. So we will subtract minus minus plus. So minus 5d equal to plus 15. So d equal to 15 upon minus 5 equal to minus 3. What we got? D is equal to minus 3. Now substituting in equation 1. What is that? A plus 3d equal to minus 15. So a plus 3 into minus 3 equal to minus 15. A minus 9 equal to minus 15. Therefore, a equal to minus 15 plus 9 is equal to minus 6. So, you have got d equal to minus 3 and a equal to minus 6. Therefore, what you have to find out? We have to find the sum of 10 terms of this AP, that is S10. So formula we will write n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 10 equal to 10 upon 2 into 2 into minus 6 plus 10 minus 1 into minus 3. So equal to 5 into minus 12 plus 9 into minus 3. So 5 into minus 12 minus 27. 39 is equal to minus 195. Therefore, sum of first 10 terms of this AP is minus 195. I hope everybody understood these things. Okay, this is very simple. Now next one we will do. Next one you see, this is little different type of sum. See here 5, 9, 7, 5 etc. and 24, 21, 18 etc. are the two given APs. That means they are given two arithmetic progression. One is like this, another is like this. Okay. Now, if nth term of these progressions are equal, then find n and nth term. Now listen very carefully. It is a little different sum. See, there are two series 9, 7, 5 etc. are the first AP. 24, 21, 18 or the second AP. Okay. Now we will take first AP. For first AP, what is A? 9. What is D? Look at this. What is D here? 7 minus 9 minus 2. Okay. Now what they say, nth term of the progressions are equal. So for the first AP, we have to find out nth term. Similarly, we have to find out the nth term of the second AP also. Then we will equate it as per the condition. Okay. Now Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. So Tn equal to 9 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. So it is equal to 9 minus 2n plus 2 is equal to 7 minus 2n. Okay, this we got. Similarly, for the second AP, for the second AP, what is A? 24. What is D? 21 minus 24 equal to minus 3. So we have to find out nth term, A plus n minus 1 into D. So Tn equal to A is what? 24 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. So 24 minus 3n plus 3. So is equal to 27 minus 3n is equal to Tn. Followed or not? So you have got 2. But what they say, but from the condition, what is the condition says? Nth term are equal. Nth term are equal. That means 7 minus 2n equal to 27 minus 3n from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2. So now we will take it here. 3n minus 2n equal to 27 minus 7, which is equal to 20n. So we got n. Now what you have to find out? Nth term, sorry. What we got? N equal to 27 minus 11. Oh, we got it 27 minus 3n, 11 minus 2n. Sorry, here it is 11. So we have to copy very carefully. Yeah, 11. How much we will get then? 16. Okay. Now n we got. What we have to find out now? Nth term. To find Tn. What is the formula to find Tn? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to, what is A here now? 9 plus, what is n now? 16 minus 1 into, what is d? Minus 2 is equal to 9 plus 15 into minus 2 equal to 9 minus 30 equal to minus 21. So T16. And similarly, you can take it from the second AP also, will be getting the same thing. Understood now? Now we will do the next sum. Next sum is also very important. If the sum of